What's happening, y'all? I hope your new year is off to a fantastic start. I just want to do a quick little video discussing what I have in store for the channel in 2025. So one of my last uploads of the year was a race video, and I discussed how I want that to be a regular series on the channel. It'll be similar, I hope, to Hoonigan's This versus That, except, I'm here in the Southeast, and I think that could be a very successful series if done properly. But I really want to try and get that up and going and just kind of focus my attention on that. But it's not going to be just that. 2025 will be 4 years that I've had this channel. And from the get-go, I started a list of cars and trucks that I want to feature. And I've just been adding and not doing very much subtracting from the list. So hopefully in 2025, I can check a lot of these cars and trucks off of my list. Also, I hope to get out to some of these custom shops in the area. Some of them that I have talked to and said, I'm welcome to come out and record what they do is Boneyard Builds, Greening Auto, Vinny's Custom Hot Rods. Those are a few off the top of my head to name. And also we just had Christmas last week. Since then, I did get gifted a drone. I'm a brand new pilot. It is a beginner drone. It's not very feature rich, but it does have a very good camera, 4K camera, and I think I'm getting pretty decent with it, so that's something I want to use on the channel to incorporate in some of the videos. So I'm going to keep practicing with that and just honing my skills and becoming a better pilot. And I think that'll be a great addition to the channel, something I've been wanting for a long time, and off to a good start, I feel like. So hopefully my first goal for the channel in 2025 will be accomplished in the next few days, which will be remonetize. So I got demonetized last year. I was only monetized very briefly before my violation strike. I won't go into that, but just a few hours away from being eligible to be remonetized. So hopefully I reach that goal, like I said, in the next few days, and then hopefully the ball just keeps turning from there. So if you're a content creator, I hope that 2025 is a good year for you, and you're wishing nothing but success. And I hope to work with some content creators in the area in this year. I definitely want to get more people involved with that race series. Help me out, because I definitely need it. And, whatever you do in 2025, I hope you do it well and are successful. So here's 2025. Thanks for watching.